Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this little mini palette right here. This is from Maybelline. It's the City Mini Palette collaboration with Shayla. She's a beautiful makeup artist and has a YouTube channel. I mean, oh, you guys know that. This isn't new, but I purchased this when I purchased the Wet n Wild Color Iconic palette, the Not a Basic Peach palette, and I seen this in Walgreens as well, and I was like, you know what, I really wanted this when it came out, so let me just get it now. I think this is a cute little palette and it's inexpensive. I think maybe it was $10 if I'm not mistaken. In the back you have Shayla. This is how it looks. Now you have 6 shadows, 3 mattes, and the other one's like a shimmer. I think this palette is awesome because it's small, it's mini. You can do daytime and nighttime looks with this. You can do a natural or smoky eye. I don't know what I'm going to do for my eyes, but I'm just gonna wing it, you know? Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna take my scrunchie first and put my hair up. Okay, pull it in. Not that in. Of course, to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Concealer in Light Ivory. Even though this is Light Ivory, this is like more orange than anything. Going to blend it out with my finger. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to dip into this shadow right here. And with that shadow, I'm going to set my eyes. With this Luxie 239 Precision Shaper Brush, I'm going to go into this shadow right here. And I'm just going to apply that in my crease. This brush does have a point, so I am being precise, as you can see. And I am going in with the shadow to my inner corner as well. Next, I will be dipping into the black shadow with my Glamour Dolls brush. It don't say anything on it, just says Glamour Dolls. And I'm going to focus this shadow in my outer corner, and I'm going to pat it. And then blend it. With the black shadow, I do not want to bring it into my crease. Well, it's gonna go in my crease a little bit, but I don't want to bring it above my crease. Now with no extra product, I'm just going to blend it all the way in. And I'm raising my brows while I'm doing this. Now with this brush right here, this brush is from Royal and SammieCNicole, I think. It's the BMX 430 crease brush. And I'm just going to blend out the edges. Well, the crease more. Now I am raising my lids because you can see inside, like in the crease right here, it's kind of, it doesn't have a lot of pigment. So that's when I'm going to go back in with the brown shadow. Now going back into the black and just patting more on. Now with this brush, I'm just going to blend it out again. I feel like with any shadow, there's a lot of blending that you have to do because you don't want it to look patchy or anything like that. So you got to take your time and really pay attention to like each eye to see the difference of each one. Now with my finger, I'm going to go into this shadow right here. It's a nice golden shadow, and I'm going to apply it right here where you see no black. That's where I'm going to apply the gold. Wow, this shadow, I mean, whew, This is beautiful, this gold. Now with this brush right here, I'm just going to blend out the edges. The gold, it does fall down a little bit, so I had to clean my face and my hands. I'm going to moisturize my face with the Organic Pharmacy face cream. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Pores No More. I'm going to apply just a little. For my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm really loving this dewy look that I am not going to set my face. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Pure Dream Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette, and the highlight is called Afterglow. It's this one right here in the middle. I will be using this fan brush from So Susanna. To bronze, I'm going to use my NYC City Proof Up to 10 Hour Bronzing Facing Powder in 720 Sunny. And of course, I'm going to be using this contour brush from Fahara. Hopefully I'm saying it right. And I'm just going to tap into this one just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go in, where are you? With this e.l.f. brush right here. It's a small smudge brush. I'm going to use this bronzer right here, and I'm going to just define my nose just a little. Now with this Royal & SammieCNicole BX90, I'm gonna blend it out. For blush, I'm going to use a DSL Kitty Pink. I just want a subtle blush, nothing intense, because my eyes are already intense as it is. I'm going to use this gold shade from this little palette with the highlight I use on my cheekbone, this one right here. I went into the other like deep gold shade and just popped a little bit more in there. For my waterlines, top and bottom, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. I'm going to take, where's those small things? This brush right here from Luxie. It's a 221T. And I'm going to go in to the black shadow and go real close to my lower lash line. I'm going to dip into the brown, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to smudge it out. With the same brush that I highlighted in my inner corner, I'm going to go into the gold and bring it right here to connect. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use the Luxie 213T brush and use this highlight right here. Two mascaras I'm going to be using is from Blink. The first one is a black lash primer. It's called Jet Black Volume. Now I'm going to take the other mascara, and this is from Blink as well. It's the Mascara Amplified. Stop painting your lashes, tube them. Oh, I forgot this is a tube mascara. For my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Budapest. Okay, I'm taking this off because my eyes are already dark. I don't want my lips to be dark as well. Instead of that lip, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Beeper. I'm also going to apply some lip gloss to like calm it down a little bit, make it a little bit more juicy. So I'm going to apply the LA Girls Pout Lip Gloss in Super Shine. The last thing I'm gonna do is spray my setting spray from Project Beauty. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I like it, but I know it can be too bold since, you know, it's black shadow. But the gold comes down just a little bit. I like this palette because the shadows, you can blend them very well. And the black is good, but this gold right here, it's so beautiful. Like, it's just, this gold is so amazing. I use every single one except this because I did use a little bit of this in my inner corner, and this is more of a darker like gold. This is more of a true gold. It's like a little bit of a copper gold. You can just do different looks with this, so this is great to have and it's inexpensive, so why not? So this concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then, you know, just click that button down below. And yeah, any comments, questions, you know the drill. Just comment below and I'll answer you. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye. Yes. Oh, money. Fam.